Hey everyone! If you're a student looking to earn money, gain real-world experience, and work with cutting-edge tech, then AI freelancing is your golden opportunity. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to become an AI freelancer while studying, even if you're starting with zero experience. Why AI freelancing is perfect for students. AI is exploding across industries, and there's massive demand for freelancers who can do things like train AI models, analyze data using AI, build automation tools using ChatGPT, Python, etc., fine-tune prompts, or build AI-powered web apps. The best part? You can start with free tools and platforms. No fancy degree needed. Skills you need to get started. Focus on learning these core skills. Python basics. Use YouTube or free code camp. Prompt engineering. Learn how to talk to AI tools. AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, etc. Data handling, Pandas, Excel, or Google Sheets. Optional. No-code platforms like Bubble, Glide. Spend 30 to 60 minutes daily building small projects. Consistency is key. Build a mini budget portfolio. Before applying for gigs, build 2 to 3 mini projects. ChatGPT powered resume builder, AI-based blog writer, chatbot using Python or tools like LangChain. Publish them on GitHub or Notion, or record walkthrough videos to share on LinkedIn or YouTube. Where to find freelance AI gigs? Top platforms for beginners. Fiverr, offer prompt writing or chatbot services. Upwork, apply to AI research assistant jobs. Freelancer.com, look for data labeling or automation gigs. LinkedIn, reach out to startups building AI tools. Pro tip: start with low competition gigs like AI content writer using ChatGPT or automate Excel reports using AI. Time management tips for students. Balance is key. Here's how. Set fixed freelance hours. Use time blocking with Google Calendar. Say no to gigs that overwhelm you. Start slow, deliver quality, and scale gradually. If you're serious about building an AI freelancing career while studying, this is your moment. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll see results in 3-6 months. Drop A in the comments if you're ready to start. And subscribe for weekly AI freelancing tips.